Ducati Hypermotared 1100 Best Motorcycle Review, 4-valve V-twin, 6 gears. The Ducati Hypermotared 1100 is a new kind of motorcycle. It offers all the fun of a conventional supermoto motorcycle with its light and agile handling, and a pathological penchant for wheelies. But thanks to its big and smooth 1078 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, comfy seat and roomy riding position, the Ducati Hypermotared is practical too. Kind of. For those looking for something a little sportier, why not check out our Ducati Hypermotared 1100 EVO review? Once you've read this review and our owners' reviews, you may consider joining an online community such as at Ducati Owners Club GB. Ride quality and brakes. At slow speeds, the Ducati Hypermotared is on the firm side of plush, but still a very comfortable motorcycle. Turn the wick up and the well-controlled suspension really lets you take the Ducati Hypermotared by the scruff of its neck and take liberties with it. It handles like a 600 Supersport motorcycle and has the kind of brakes a club-level motorcycle racer would kill for. Engine. The Ducati Hypermotared uses the same air-cooled, twin-spark, V-twin engine as the Ducati Multistrada 1100 but has a dry clutch to save weight. The 90 brake horsepower motor can feel breathless when riding on fast open roads, but on smaller, tighter stuff there's more than enough oomph to keep things interesting thanks to the Ducati Hypermotared's lack of weight, 179 kilograms. Reliability and build quality. Using a very simple air-cooled motor to power the Ducati Hypermotared will ensure that mechanical maladies will be kept to a minimum. Elsewhere, it is a beautifully finished motorcycle with luscious red paintwork, and neat touches like the detailed brake and clutch span adjusters and a single-sided swing arm finish the motorcycle off nicely. Our Ducati Hypermotared 1100 owners' reviews show very positive comments, with one buyer stating it's one of the best-kept secrets in motorcycling. Value versus rivals. You get an awful lot of motorcycle for your money with the base model Ducati Hypermotared, although only the well-heeled or track day nutters need apply for the Ducati Hypermotared S, as the uprated chassis components don't make much difference for riding on the road. The Ducati Hypermotared's tiny 12.4-liter tank and lack of wind protection means it's limited to Sunday morning blasts only. Equipment. For a supermoto motorcycle, the Ducati Hypermotared is overflowing with toys and neat design touches. You get a multifunctional LCD dash, flip-out mirrors and a neat grab rail, which doubles up as the rear brake light. The Ducati Hypermotared S version is 2 kilograms lighter and has an Öhlins rear shock, Marcassini wheels, Brembos off the Ducati 1098 and a data logging facility.